Okay, last of our training series here, so let's go ahead and on DFP. And I'm Ryan Dorn, Internet Consultant from Brainswell Media. And we want to go and talk about reports, okay? Well, first of all, you want to make sure that your publication is chosen here. Obviously it is. And then you want to be able to go and run particular reports. Now you can run reports based upon delivery by advertiser. You can go and check your inventories. You can do it placed upon orders, line items, actually creatives. So, I mean, there's tons of different ways you can run salespeople reports. You can run advertiser reports. And what you do is simply to kind of see what you have available, you just click, on the left. And what you're going to do is you're going to actually want to choose. See, the date is off. Okay, so we're actually going to want to choose. Let's just say, today, as an example. All right. And it's going to show us then the reports here. Here's Cleveland Clinic. Here's these different ads. Okay. It's going to show us how many impressions, and if they were set up to be revenue generating or have clicks based upon revenue, it would show there. You can search, and then you can actually export here. And so you can export to a CSV file, a TSV, an Excel, XML, whatever it is that you want. Okay. And so this is a really fast and easy way for you to be able to go in and punch out reports. Now, if you want to do, based on each advertiser in and of themselves, then you can go in and pull up just the advertisers by themselves. You can export there as well. Now, if you want to look for in terms of delivery, you can go up here to advertisers on delivery. It's going to give you a pretty similar report. Let's click today. And you're going to see some very similar things here. You can go in and actually customize these basically any way that that you want. Okay, now let's just say that you want like an advertiser report of all the advertisers for a particular period. Let's just say last month, as an example. Okay, there's no data, but this is just an example. Last month, and you want this report to run every month for you for all advertisers. You just click Save and Share. Type in the name of the report, which would be monthly report. And then you want to give some type of description here. Run this report automatically. Now, when do you want it to run? You want it to run monthly for last month. And then you're going to want it to notify you via email, when it runs. Notify all others on this report. And then you're going to type in who you're sharing this with. So it's going to send it to you because you're logged in. And then you can include everybody that you want in this list here as well. You can also then include a message. Then you can also choose how you want it attached. Do you want it attached as an Excel file, CSV file, or whatever it is, and click Save, and we'll automatically set that report to run for you. Now, one of the things I might suggest is you actually do not email these reports directly to the advertiser. And why might I suggest that? Because the interesting thing about it is you really want to make sure that you have the opportunity to view these reports in advance and explain them to an advertiser. But once you get them educated, you can just simply go and pull their report just by themselves. So you could just go to advertisers, choose whatever it is that you want. Let's say today. You can pull up them. Okay, and then you can actually then go to Save and Share. Now, what you would do in this case is you would probably want to go show them the report for last month. Okay, and you would do Save and Share. Type in the name, etc., and then the schedule. When do you want it to run? I want it to run monthly to show last month, and it's going to run early the first day of the month. Notify you via email, sharing, who do you want it to go to, how do you want it sent. And it's actually, that easy. But again, I think I would set up a complete campaign. I would just say down here, all advertisers, or here under sales, advertisers. I would do last month, but last month. And then I would actually go Save and Share, and then set this up to run automatically, sharing it with all the salespeople or whatever it is on your particular team. Okay, so that's really the last step of DFP. We'll talk about manipulating inventory and things like that at another juncture. But right now, this last part 5, is all about reports and reporting. All right, once you get through these, watch each of them a few times, and that will give you a real general understanding. And then if we need to, we can get together on the phone and discuss these in more detail. I think DFP is going to be a great system for you, and really thrilled that you chose us to help you get it all set up. Take care.